What's up, YouTube? I thought I'd do an update on these ponds. So I have the initial pond that I showed you guys in the beginning. It's over here. Welcome, my bear. So I did the pond, obviously, and I recently dyed it with pond dye. They say it doesn't stain, but it does stain. Anyways, waterfall buckets, I need to get it up under this porch and drill a hole through the porch and run power to these pumps. My other half is on my ass about getting these pumps going. I understand we don't want stagnant water because, you know, mosquitoes and other things. I just haven't had a chance to do it because we just had a tornado outbreak, and like I said, I just haven't done it. Got some palm trees, some cattails, some rose bushes, you know, yada yada. Anyways, so yeah, I'm hoping to get this done soon. I've been slacking like a mother beeper. So we'll go to this other pond. I did end up making another pond to match that side over there because, you know, why not? I like digging, it's fun. I'm being sarcastic again. So we have the waterfall buckets, which I will probably get running later today. And then we have this identical pond. Yeah, it's looking pretty good out here. So yeah, let's take a look. We got some solar panel lights, solar butterflies, and all that good shit. So since this time, I have made a third pond. We were initially going to build a in-ground pool back here. We were going to dig it ourselves with a shovel like dumbasses, and you can see the pile of dirt that's over there. So we made a beach back here for my other half because she's a beachy type person. I am not. I like the woods, but now she has her own personal beach. And I did 47 bags of 50-pound bags of sand, fun to carry, fun to unload, and I did 37 bags of marble rock here. So here's our third pond now. It's also been dyed. It was going to be a pool, but I ran into a power line underneath the pond, so I decided not to do that. On this one, however, I did use a tarp. They say if you use a vinyl tarp, it's okay. It will keep the water from draining, and so far the water has not drained. I did buy a pond pump for this one also. I just got to install it. I just got to run power from under the house. Over here, just haven't done it yet because it's been cold and nasty, whatever. So we have a banana tree right here, which I'll just tell you guys, this looked really good when we bought it. However, we've had 60, 70, 80 mile an hour winds for days, and now my banana tree looks like shit. I've been watering it, and I've read about it. We have one good leaf right here, and it's because the wind hasn't tore the shreds yet. My poor banana tree. So we have planted these like tropical flowers. We have some angel ears or whatever the hell they're called. Some solar lights, some rockage. And I like to keep on upgrading things because, you know, why not? Because the more work, the merrier. So here's a date palm. It's gotten twice the size since I planted it. I don't know how it has. And then we had another date palm here. We're going to finish that little shed out, extend it. We're going to sandbag, not sandbag, we're going to earth bag walls and outside porch and convert it to a actual little mini house soon. I think we're going to start it next week. So now I have decided to change my mind, and I'm going to turn this into a hot tub. This thing here is 4 foot deep on the middle there, and it goes to, you can see the rocks there, I think. So we're going to extend it from here. We're going to build a earth bag wall, plaster and stucco it all the way around this whole sandbox. So in time, from here where I'm standing now, all this sand to the dog fence over there, all around the landscaping timbers, I'm going to turn it into a huge ass hot tub. So stay tuned for that. It will be a hot tub. It will get done amongst the other zillion things that I'm doing. So I think it'd be pretty cool to have a hot tub. And right here, I'm going to do a huge 7-8 foot tall L-shaped waterfall. It will probably go from here-ish. So about, I don't know, 10 foot out. It'll go to the top of the dog fence right there. And then we'll go all the way back here to this section here. And there will be a huge fake rock waterfall. I will build the rocks myself. And yeah, see what happens. I've done it before, and I could do it again. It's just gonna be a lot more rocks to make this time. But yeah, there's an update on my ponds. I hope that y'all enjoyed them. If y'all have any recommendations or ideas or thoughts, let me know.